Philippine National Police Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III visited the wake of Patrolman Harwin Courtney Bagay and awarded him a posthumous medal after Bagay was killed in the line of duty while responding to a crime in Quezon City. Ryan Lesigas tells us more.
Lalo natin paitingin, lalo natin hanapin ang mga baril na yan, at lalo natin higpitan ang mga illegal baril sa kalsada.
Intensified operations against loose firearms will be the response of the Philippine National Police or PNP after a police officer was killed while responding to a crime in Commonwealth Quezon City. In the incident, 2 people died, including Patrolman Harwin Courtney Bagay. Because of this, PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III said that they will revisit their standard operating procedures to prevent a repeat of this incident. Torre emphasized that danger is part of their job, but will do everything in their power to steer clear from it.
May SOPs naman na existing regarding the use of armored vests during police operations. So i-revisit lang natin yon, titingnan lang natin para at least mamitigate naman ang danger sa ating mga tauhan.
Yesterday, Torre visited the wake of Patrolman Bagay at Camp Caringal in Quezon City. Due to the bravery shown by the police officer, he was awarded a posthumous medal. The family of the officer admitted still having difficulty accepting what happened, but they said they will forever be proud of Patrolman Bagay's bravery.
I need the presence of my child than the popularity he has now. Mas gusto kong hindi siya sikat. Mas gusto kong kahit isang hindi kilalang tao basta nandun sana sa amin na hinihintay namin pag December na magbabakasyon.
In the initial investigation, police heard gunshots which prompted them to respond immediately. They did not realize the person they approached was the suspect. The suspect suddenly pulled out a gun and shot one of the police officers on the right chest. The officer managed to return fire simultaneously with another policeman, which resulted in the suspect's death. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Camp Crame.